Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about solutions in Power Platform. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So what is a solution in Power Platform? A solution in Power Platform is a package that contains one or more apps and components such as tables, processes, and flows. Solutions are used to transport these components from one environment to another or to apply a set of customizations to existing apps. They are essential for implementing application lifecycle management in Power Platform. So there are two types of solutions in Power Platform. One is unmanaged solution, another one is managed solutions. Unmanaged solutions are used during development and they are editable and can be modified directly. Managed solutions are used in production environment. They are not editable, which helps to protect the solution from unwanted changes. However, if you have environment variable in the managed solution, you can change the values from the default solution of the environment. If you have flows in managed solution and if you want to make changes in the flow, then a layer will be added in that solution where these customizations will be added. The moment you will remove that layer, it will have its original state of the flow. Key components of a solutions are apps, tables, processes, sitemaps, web resources, choices, and flows. One important component of the solution is apps. Custom applications built using the Power Apps. What are the tables? Data structures used to store information. Processes, automated workflows created using Power Automate or Power Automate Desktop. Sitemaps, navigation structures for model-driven apps. This is mainly used in model-driven apps. Web resources such as custom web content like HTML, JavaScript or CSS files. Then you have choices, custom options for feeds, and flows, automated workflows that can be triggered by events. Now we will learn how you can create a solution. So there is a step-by-step example to create a solution in Power Apps and also in Power Automate. To create a solution, you have to go to Power Apps portal or Power Automate portal, and then you have to select the solutions from the left navigation. You have to click on solution and then fill in the required fields or details like display name, publisher or version. Then you need to click on create. Once the solution is created, you can add a canvas tab. Within your new solution, click on add existing and select the app, and you can choose a canvas app. Either create a new app or add an existing one. You can add a flow. Click on add existing and select a flow. Choose an existing flow and create a new one using Power Automate. For example, create a flow that sends an email notification when a new item is added to a table. Then you can publish the solution. Once all components are added, click on Publish All Customizations. This ensures all changes are saved and ready for export. And then you can export the solution. To export the solution, you need to click on Export Solution. Choose whether to export as a managed or unmanaged solution. Download the solution file and then you can import the solution. So you have to go to the target environment, then select solutions and then click on import solution. Upload the solution file and follow the prompt to complete the import. So this way you will be able to create a solution, and in that solution you will be able to add the components of Power Platform in that solution, and then you will be able to export the solution either as managed solution or unmanaged solution, and lastly you will be able to import the solution to the target environment. If you are thinking to move the solution from one development environment to another development environment, you can export the solution as unmanaged solution. And if you're planning to move the solution to production, in that case you can export the solution as managed solution, where you will not be able to edit the components of the solution. However, if the solution contains environment variable, you can change the value of that environment variable from the default solution of target environment. So let's understand the real world example. Imagine a company that needs to automate its employee onboarding process. Here is how they could use a solution in Power Platform. Canvas app: create an app for HR to input new employee details. A table: store employee information in a database table. Flow: automate sending welcome emails and setting up IT accounts using Power Automate. Sitemap: provide easy navigation for HR staff within the app. By packaging these components in a solution, the company can easily move the entire onboarding process from a development environment to a production environment, ensuring consistency and reducing the errors. So what are the benefits of using the solution? Benefits of using the solutions are like consistency. It ensures that all environments have the same components and customizations. Version control: you can manage the different versions of your solution. Security: manage the solutions, protect components from unauthorized changes. Reusability: solutions can be reused across different environments and projects. So these are the benefits of the solutions in Power Platform.